A man sat in a barrel in the middle of Athens. He owned a cloak, a wooden bowl, and nothing else, and he was freer than any king who ever lived. His name was Diogenes. He lived in ancient Greece about 23 centuries ago. Most men chased money, houses, and titles. Diogenes threw all of it away on purpose. He wanted to see what a person really needed to be happy. The story goes that he once carried a wooden bowl. It was the last thing he owned. Then he saw a boy drinking water with cupped hands. Diogenes stopped, looked at his bowl, and threw it away. If a child could live without it, so could he. People thought he was mad, but watch what he understood. Every object you own is also a worry, a thing you must guard, clean, and fear losing. The more you have, the more can be taken from you. Diogenes simply refused to give anyone that power. Then one day, the most powerful man in the world came to see him. Alexander the Great, a conqueror of nations. He had heard of this strange philosopher and wanted to meet him, so he walked into the marketplace and stood over the man in the barrel. Alexander offered him anything he wished: gold, land, a place in his court. Any man alive would have leapt at the chance. Diogenes just looked up from where he was lying in the sun. He asked Alexander for one thing: to step aside because he was blocking the sunlight. That was all. The richest gift on earth, and Diogenes wanted only what the sky already gave him for free. The soldiers laughed, but Alexander did not. He grew quiet. Then, they say, he told his men something surprising. If he were not Alexander, he would want to be Diogenes. The conqueror envied the beggar. Think about why. Alexander had everything and still wanted more. That hunger never let him rest. Diogenes wanted almost nothing, so there was nothing anyone could threaten him with. You cannot frighten a man who has already let go. This is the strange power the Stoics and Cynics understood. Fear feeds on attachment. We fear losing what we cling to. So the less you need, the less the world can hold over you. Diogenes was not rich, but no one could buy him and no one could scare him. Freedom was never about having more. It was about needing less than the world thinks you should.